Hello class, this is Brother Castillo. I hope everyone had a great week and you're enjoying some time off this weekend. But let's jump into the announcements for Lesson 6, Individual and Organizational Hiring Considerations and Fit. By way of the agenda, I'm going to start off with some fun facts. Then we'll do a case study wrap-up of Lesson 5. We'll talk about the Lesson 6 objectives, the assignments that are due this week, discuss the HOA meetings for this week, and one final thought. Did you know, according to Amazon, the most highlighted books on Kindle are the Bible, the Steve Jobs biography, and the Hunger Games? I did not know that. Some interesting facts. All right, let's wrap up last week's case, Power Office Politics and a Career in Crisis. Some takeaways and lessons learned. I think one of the big takeaways is you are ultimately responsible for your career. You saw what happened to Green and some of the choices and decisions he made. And although there were things out of his control or things whether it was Davis or McDonald, at the end of the day, you are ultimately responsible for your career and the choices and decisions that you make. Another lesson learned or takeaway should be that you should always seek out advice and counsel from trusted mentors and coaches. Could Green have benefited from some good advice? Absolutely. He was clearly very capable and talented in certain areas, but in other areas he lacked business maturity and direction and common sense even. So he could have benefited from the advice and counsel of a mentor. Next, the best leaders are the best learners. Lots of studies done about this, but to be an effective leader, you always have to constantly be learning, whether it's formal training or learning or getting the advice and counsel, as I previously mentioned. Along with being a great learner, one has to be humble or show humility. Could Green have benefited from some humility in terms of those things that he needed to work on? Absolutely. And the bottom line is we all need to be humble and we all need to be constantly learning and realizing we don't have all the answers, but we should be humble enough to seek counsel and advice from others or other sources. Lesson 6 objectives for this week. Again, we'll be talking about hiring and organizational fit. So we're going to look at hiring choices, the considerations as an organization when we make hiring decisions. We'll talk about organizational fit and fitting in an organization. We'll also discuss a number of other hiring related items in terms of managing talent, interviewing, so on and so forth. Now the assignments that are due for Lesson 6 this week. Our midweek assignments that are due on February 14th. The Lesson 6 case study write-up for recruitment of a star. That case write-up will be due on Tuesday. Make sure you also complete your readings this week. You'll be reading pages 247 to 296 in the 7 Habits books. In the 7 Habits book. Now, due Monday, February 19th at 8 a.m. Is your HOA case study activity. Again, most of you have your meetings on Wednesdays and Thursdays. Make sure you have your reading discussions, posts, and again, I would encourage you to post as soon as possible, either Wednesday or Thursday. Make sure you take the self-assessment. And new this week will be some mid-course feedback, specifically for myself, and you'll have an opportunity to rate what you think of the course and my teaching, and so please, I welcome the feedback about what I'm doing well and those things that I can work on. So encourage you to make sure you give feedback on the course. This week in the HOA group meetings, I will be meeting with groups 7 and 8. Team leaders, make sure you get the agenda instructions as well as record your meetings and post them to the discussion activity board. And as always, take advantage of the meeting time. Try to connect and synthesize all the concepts we've learned so far to this case and see how they apply. One final thought is a great quote from one of our founding fathers, Thomas Paine. That which we obtain too easily, we esteem too lightly. Actually, Covey quoted this in his 7 Habits book, and I would think in all aspects of our life that it comes a little too easy, and we may take it a little too lightly. And so, especially as it applies to this course, I know it's not easy. There's a lot of work involved, but know that through your hard work, you'll gain a lot in terms of knowledge and wisdom. All right. Well, everybody have a great week. I will see you next week online. Bye-bye.